Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about 1.1 two-way tables and bar charts. The key point here talks about frequency and frequency diagram. Now, what's the meaning of frequency? The frequency of a value is the number of times it occurs. It means how many times something happens or how many times it's happening. This is the meaning of frequency. For example, if I say that I play football 3 times, it means the frequency of me playing football is 3. This is the meaning of frequency. Now, we use frequency diagrams to explain and show this data by putting it on a frequency diagram. So a frequency diagram is a bar chart that shows the frequencies. Now, I'm going to show you a question about frequency diagrams. And let's see how do we answer it. Let's see the steps of answering these questions. Question 3 is about frequency diagrams. As you can see in the diagram here, we have the data or the classes, and we have the frequencies of each one of them. Let's read the question and understand what we need to do and the steps of answering these questions. Question 3. The gadgets owned by some Year 7 students are recorded. We have smartphone, tablet, laptop, MP3, smartphone, MP3, tablet, smartphone, tablet, laptop, MP3, smartphone, MP3, tablet, MP3, smartphone, and lastly, smartphone. So these are the data that we have here. We're going to count each part of the data, for example, and write how many times is it written there. And this is the frequency of writing it, or the frequency table here shows this data. Now, question A says, copy and complete the frequency table for this data. First, we take a look at the MP3 player. How many times is it written in this data? Let's count the MP3 player. We have 1. Let's make a circle. Yes. We have 2. We have 3, 4, and 5. So because we have 5 of them, we come to the frequency part and we write 5. And this is the frequency of MP3. This is the meaning of frequency. How many times is it written? Or how many times is it repeated? Very good. Now, let's take a look at the second one, smartphones. Now, the smartphone, let's put another color underneath it as a line. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Very good. So we have 7 lines underneath smartphones. So when we write it, we write 7 in the frequency part. Very good. And then let's take a look at the tablets. Now the tablets, let's make another color. Let's make it yellow here, or less orange. Now the tablets here, let's make it like this as a square. Let's make it as a square, yes. We have 1, we have 2, and then do we have others here? We have 3, and we have 4. Good. So the tablets here are 4. Good job. Let's go ahead and write it in the frequency bar. So it's 4. Very good. And the last one, we have the laptop. Let's go ahead and check how many do we have. Let's make the color, okay, pink or something. Now let's take a look and find the laptops. Let's put circle on the laptops. We have 1 here, another one here. Good. Do we have others? So we have 2 laptops. We go ahead and write 2 next to the laptops. 2. Very good. And this is how you answer a question like this. And this is what we call a frequency diagram. So the frequency diagram is a diagram that shows the frequency of something. And this is how you answer questions like that. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.